The fitness industry is a wild landscape where flashy marketing often masks some very basic truths about human biology. Lately, there has been a massive surge in searches for a specific supplement called Zapply. People are desperate to know if this is the real deal or just another elaborate internet trap designed to drain your wallet. The claims are certainly bold. We are talking about promises of skyrocketing energy levels, razor sharp focus, and recovery times that make you feel like a teenager again. On paper, it sounds like the missing piece of the puzzle for any man trying to optimize his performance. But when you peel back the glossy layers of the website, what you find is actually quite familiar. This supplement is built on a foundation of very standard vitamins and minerals. We are talking about things like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. These are essential nutrients, no doubt about it. They also threw in some ashwagandha, which has been used for centuries to help the body manage stress. On the surface, this formula looks solid because these ingredients are scientifically backed for general health. The problem arises when the marketing machine starts spinning these basic building blocks as a revolutionary breakthrough. Taking 3 capsules a day is supposed to balance your natural levels and supercharge your metabolism. However, the reality of the situation is much more grounded than the ads suggest. If you are someone who already eats a balanced diet filled with whole foods, you are likely getting most of these nutrients already. Adding more of them through an expensive bottle might not do much of anything. This leads to the big debate over whether the product is a scam. To be fair, the evidence suggests the company is legitimate. They have a real website with a decent trust rating, and they actually ship a physical product to your door. You are not throwing your money into a black hole where nothing comes back. But there is a huge difference between a product being fake and a product being overhyped. The marketing creates an expectation of a miracle. When the results are subtle or even non-existent, buyers feel cheated. It is a classic case of the narrative outrunning the science. You have to ask yourself if you are paying for the ingredients or if you are paying for the fancy label and the professional video ads. For many people, the price tag just does not match the actual value of what is inside the bottle. There are plenty of alternatives on the shelf at your local pharmacy that contain nearly the identical mix for a fraction of the cost. If you are looking to support your vitality, focusing on your sleep, your lifting routine, and your vegetable intake will always yield better results than a single bottle of capsules. It is not that this supplement is bad for you. It is just that it might not be the game changer you were led to believe it was. Most users find that it is a basic nutritional boost disguised as a performance enhancer. In the end, the smartest move is to look past the hype and realize that there are no shortcuts to peak health. Real vitality comes from consistent habits, not just from swallowing 3 pills every morning. If you decide to try it, just keep your expectations in check, and remember that your lifestyle does the heavy lifting while the supplement just fills in the tiny gaps. Do not let a well-produced advertisement convince you that a few common minerals can replace the hard work of a healthy diet and a rigorous exercise program.